If I'm just thinking about the rhythm of your movement, it's a lot of like propulsion into something else, like, yeah, like, So to me, that kind of sounds like triplet-y. Because like what I was hearing is like, and I'm thinking like if I can somehow get my kick drum or a floor tom to line up with what you're doing. Is that too quick? I feel like you might need to add a little bit more space in between your first and the second note. Like if we were to do it that way, it would be like, okay, so now this is what's really interesting is I'm playing triplets in like a group of 7.
What?
Yeah, or I'm just playing a group of 7 notes.